Hey guys, hope all's well. I just wanted to make a video announcement about our upcoming workshops. It took me a little longer to get organized, but we've settled on the dates and everything's set. So I've got 3 workshops in Athens, Tennessee, and that's going to be one in May, June, and July. And then I've got a workshop in Florida, which is coming up right in April. That's April 22nd to the 26th. So all 4 workshops are basically covering the same material. In Florida, we're going to be building a cob bench, and it's not a house, but you get all the same skills that you would use to build a house. And of course, I'll be covering all the material for building an actual cob house or earthen house or any kind of earthen building. And then in Tennessee, we're actually going to be building a cob house. It's going to be used as an Airbnb, and this is on an off-grid property. So this is going to be a really good series of workshops because it's a little bit different, because we get to use some heavy machinery. We're going to be using a backhoe to mix large amounts of cob and then trucking it down to the site. So it's going to be a bit of a different perspective for a lot of people. Normally I'll use machinery, but on a smaller scale, like a mortar mixer. I've used tractors in the past, but the backhoe is kind of the ultimate cob mixing machine in a way. You can just make the largest batches. So it'll be on a sort of a larger scale than a lot of people are used to seeing in cob workshops. So you'll get to see the building go up a lot quicker. Not to mention the soil there in eastern Tennessee is really almost ideal for cob. So you can stack it a lot higher than usual compared to a lot of places, especially like Florida, where the soil is very sandy, and therefore you have to make the cob mix a bit more wet. So as a result, it means you can build less height per day. So cool thing about like North Georgia, East Tennessee, and I'm sure a lot of other places in the region, but the soil is more dense and really a good consistency for cob, and so you can just stack it higher. That density, you can stack it. You could probably go a foot or higher than a foot a day. So anyway, if you want to experience that, come out to Athens, Tennessee this spring or summer. And again, we've got a workshop going on in May. The first one is May 6th to May 10th. And we've got one in June and July so far. And the dates are all on my website. I'm going to put a link down below the video here. You can go to my website and get all the details on these workshops, all the dates, prices, and all that. The prices I keep as low as possible, and everyone likes that I have some of the lowest prices for workshops with the highest value. So, I mean, you're really getting your money's worth. I'll also add in here that for all 4 of these workshops, camping's available, so you're free to camp on site, so you can save a lot of money that way. Alright, well, I'm going to put the links down below, and if you have any questions, you can email me, alex@thiscobhouse.com, and otherwise, leave comments down below. I'll check those and I'll answer those as soon as possible. And yeah, I hope to meet more of you there pretty soon. Alright, talk to you later.
Hey Jim, what workshop? How many workshops have you been to?
3.
3. Are you coming back?
Absolutely.
Okay, cool. We'll see you then. There you go.